The biggest mistake you are making right now is telling people your plans before you even start. You think you need their support, but all you're getting is their doubt. You're giving away your energy before you've even built anything. True power doesn't need to shout. Real success doesn't need an audience. It's time to close your mouth and open your work. It's time to win in silence. When you tell someone your goals, your brain gets a fake hit of dopamine, the same feeling of satisfaction as if you'd already achieved them. It makes you lazy. It makes you comfortable. Privacy is a superpower. When no one knows what you're working on, they can't sabotage it. They can't project their fears onto you. Let them believe you're doing nothing. Let them think you're falling behind. While they are busy talking, you are busy building. The less they know, the more you can grow. There is a special kind of satisfaction in surprising everyone. Don't announce the move, just make the move. Don't show them the process, show them the finished product. Let your bank account, your fitness, and your lifestyle be the only announcement you ever make. Winners don't have to explain themselves. Their results do the talking. Silence is the ultimate sign of confidence. It says, I don't need your approval, I have my own vision. Stop looking for validation and start looking for results. If you are ready to work in the shadows and shine in the light, type silent winner in the comments. Shut out the noise, lock in. I'll see you at the victory line.